Hey, good afternoon. This is Steve Baumgartner, Baumgartner Ranch. Thanks for coming back. Appreciate it. All right, today I've decided to do something new. And what I'm going to do is see the background? You're going to have to try to figure out where I am. Because you're going to know that I didn't go to Hawaii. I'm not in California. So you know that. I just took these backgrounds on. It's just kind of fun for me. But I figured it should be fun for you too. So you guess where I am in the world. And if you can't figure that out, throw me a note and I'll hone it down to a location region and we'll go from there. So today I'm going to have one of my other favorites, which is on the dark side. This is Malbec. I think I've done this once before, but I'm going to do it again because I like it. So this is my Baumgartner Ranch version, and so we're going to do the Malbec. This is a 2017. It's been a rough week again. I mentioned that yesterday, and there's a lot going on. We've got some reorganization at the Baumgartner Ranch, and so we're going to make rooms different. We're going to fix up the wine lab, and my video room. Fix that up too. I'm going to take this desk out. I'm going to put a smaller desk in. I'm going to paint the walls, get a little more studio-ish. So that's my goal here. I got some natural light coming in from the skylight. You can see that flicker. That's the fan flickering through the natural light. So we have a lot going on. So we got some rooms freeing up. So I'm going to redistribute some of the stuff that I have, kind of give myself more room. And that's going to help me do my video production a little better. Hopefully along the line I can get like a boom. I'd like to put a microphone over here because I sound kind of distant because I'm like almost 3.5 feet away from the mic. I did get that M50, the Canon M50. It's just so difficult to hook up to the PC and do it the same way that this Logitech, conference system goes. It's so much easier. I mean, it's easy. And I'm all into easy. I hate struggling having cords everywhere. So I'm gonna stick with this and figure out if I can replace it somewhere along the line where I can hook in a boom, put a mic out here. At that point, maybe I can use the M50. I don't know, we'll see. This is all kind of new to me. I'm not really sure how a lot of this camera stuff works and how it interacts with the PC. I'm not, that wasn't my area of expertise. So I'm learning. So there we go. Again, this is my Malbec, made it in 2017. So, it's getting a little old, I think. It's got a, well, maybe I just gotta try it and see whether it's good or not. Still tastes good, but the smell is a little off. I think that's because it got a little warm in one of my storage areas. You know, here in Texas, it's pretty dang hot. I can see right now it's 101 outside. Well, 93 feels like 101. The air conditioner died, so we were out for a while, and it shouldn't have affected it, but I think it did. It's still good. Now, maybe it's just me that I'm more used to white wines now. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to have someone else test it out for me because I still like it. Yeah, I mean, it's still good. It's just, I don't know, maybe. Well, we'll see. We'll go from there. I'll finish it no matter what. It's not bad. But I think that's what you probably get with some of these kit wines is if you get them too warm. I try to keep mine about 72 degrees. all year long, and that seems to be pretty good. But when I lost the air conditioner, I think it did some damage. However, it's still good to drink, and most of my friends wouldn't know the difference and wouldn't care. So they're Beaujolais type at best. So great people, love them. So anyway, I want you to guess where I am, not just the location of region, but the facility that I'm at. If any of you travel wineries, there's a clue, it's a winery. Where would this be? And if you kind of check it out, you'll kind of figure out where it probably is. And then you can kind of hone it down to which one. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I'm going to finish this off because I should. It's just good etiquette that I should do that. And you know what? I want you guys to tell your friends. This is really important. All your wine lovers, go out there and tell them to go to my channel, look at my stuff, tell me what they want to see, what they want to hear. I know stuff, but I don't know what you want to know. So I got all day to investigate. I have that kind of time. So do that. Get them to subscribe. I'd really greatly appreciate that. And what's even better than subscriptions is watch these videos all the way through to the end. That really helps out not just me, but all the channels. So just saying that. And also, I have other playlists linked into this video, which you'll see at the top of the screen, one side or the other. I don't know which one it is. And those are I have one for Model A, to do Model A stuff. I belong to the Dallas Model A Club. I do the wine. Again, I don't get into technical stuff. I just get into the fun stuff, enjoy your wine. And how I enjoy my wine is don't stress about things. The third one is my cancer. I do get into that a little bit, and I'm trying to be open with people and get them to understand what cancer is and does, mostly after the fact, post-cancer. So I go into that. That's education is good. The more you know, the easier it is to deal with cope, get along with other people who have had cancer or have been caretakers or so on. So you can go into those videos. You can see the links at the top and do that. I'm kind of excited about this "Where Am I" thing. So if you can do that, I would really enjoy that. And comment. Always comment on people's videos, because that keeps them in touch with their viewers and what you want to see. And that makes it fun for both of us. And that's what this is all about, is fun. So hang in there. I'm going to do the same, and I'll see you next time.